Have you ever wondered, why do sea turtles go back to the place they were born to lay eggs? While scientists can't agree on how it happens, scientists can agree on why it happens. Turtles have evolved over time to gain advantageous skills that not many animals have. I'm Matt Dunning, and back in 2013, I went to Costa Rica and saw a turtle sanctuary on one of the beaches. There were full-time volunteers there who were making sure the turtle nests were safe and also making sure the turtles reached the ocean water safely after they hatched. After this trip, I became very fascinated with sea turtles, and they became one of my favorite animals. Turtle reproduction is one of the most unique processes in the animal kingdom because of their breeding habits, the lack of parental guidance, and how gender is determined. While sea turtles are not the only animal to return to their birthplace to lay eggs, many more animal species do not have this habit. Turtles often have to go on month-long journeys to return to their birthplace. According to conserveturtles.org, it isn't certain how sea turtles are able to return to their birthplace, but it is thought that they use magnetic fields to return back to the place they were born. It is also possible that hatchlings are able to imprint their birthplace into their memory through things such as like the sounds and the smells of the beach they were born at. And although there is some ambiguity in how turtles return to their birthplace, the role of the parents is well known. Mother and father turtles are not well known for their parenting skills. Father turtles never meet their hatchlings and only meet the mother once. According to conserveturtles.org, mother turtles lay eggs around 2 to 8 times a mating season. After the mother is ready to lay eggs, she'll find a dry spot on the beach, she'll dig a hole with her flippers and lay about 50 to 200 eggs and then close the hole up. According to petmd.com, once the mother is done laying eggs, her job as a mother is essentially done. And according to oceanservice.noaa.gov, the turtle eggs must incubate for around 60 days. And in those 60 days, the sex of the newborn turtle is determined. Not many animals in the animal kingdom have the sex of a newborn determined like a sea turtle. According to oceanservice.noaa.gov, the sex of the turtle is determined by a phenomenon called temperature-dependent sex determination, which means the outside temperature is what decides the gender of the newborn turtle. Colder temperatures tend to produce more male turtles, whereas warmer temperatures tend to produce more female turtles. According to oceanservice.noaa.gov, global warming is starting to produce more female turtles than male turtles, which is causing an upset in genetic diversity in the sea turtle community. But that's a topic for another week. In summary, sea turtles' reproductive habits are interesting because they return to their birthplace, mothers are non-existent in raising their young, and the sex of the turtle is determined by the temperature of the environment. Returning to the same beach is a tremendous journey that turtles partake in every so often. When mothers get there, they simply lay their eggs in a flipper dog hole and leave to never see their hatchlings again. And although it is fascinating that the sex of a turtle is determined by the outside temperature, it is starting to cause problems due to global warming. Sea turtles may go through a lot of work to reproduce, but it ends up being worth it in the end because if sea turtles were to go extinct, most of the coastal ecosystem would die.